Do you know, as per American Medical Association, medical practitioners and healthcare providers spend 15 to 20% of their time in managing revenue cycle management. Instead, they can spend their time managing the patient and patient care. There are 6 proven important key metrics that medical practitioners can start following today and increase their revenue and increase their top line. The number one is contracted terms or fee schedule. Do you know that even the two medical practitioners are using the same CPT code? They don't get the same amount of money from insurance companies. Insurance company, along with the CPT code, also use something called contracted rate. And this contracted rate is determined on the geographic region, provider type, the specialty, and network status, which means CPT code in conjunction with the contracted rate determines the payment that you receive from insurance company. The next one is quality-based incentive or pay for performances. Many payers use the value-based payment models, which means how proactive your practice is managing HDIS scores. Example, screenings, immunization, chronic disease management. Also, patient satisfaction surveys, example, CAHPS, readmission rates, or ER avoidance. In a nutshell, practice scoring higher on this matrix receive higher bonus payment, higher reimbursement rate, and shared savings from insurance companies. Risk adjustment scores. For patients on Medicare Advantage or ACA plans have hierarchical conditional categories. And why it matters? It matters because more accurately coded risk means higher payment. Insurers pay more to provide service to higher complexity patients if documented properly. Let me give you an example. If your patient captures chronic conditions fully, meaning diabetes with complication, you will see better payment over time. The next one is practice accreditation or recognition. Some insurers pay better rates to offer to the preferred status. Example, NCQA PCMH recognition, patient-centered medical home, Joint Commission accreditation, meaningful use, or promoting interoperability compliance. These recognitions indicate high quality coordinated care, and medical practices can get higher payment from insurance companies. Number 5, utilization efficiency matrix. Insurers ongoing basis monitors average cost per episode of care, diagnostic versus procedural frequency, referral patterns, example, in network or out of network, and high utilization outliers may be flagged for lower tiering or audit. Number 6, bundle payments or alternative payment models, APMs. In models like comprehensive primary care plus CPC, BPCI, or ACOs, those providers may be paid based on the episode of care or population of health. Quality and cost control means more savings retained. In a nutshell, these are the 6 important metrics: CPT code plus contracted rate, quality scores, HDIS, CAIPS, risk adjustments, HCCs, utilization matrix, recognition PCM, joint commission, bundle and value-based models. All these 6 matrix really managed carefully can increase your revenue and top line. Please contact Smart Care Practice Management today. We specialize in all these 6 metrics and how efficiently manage for your practices today.